Hi guys, today I will explain how to add markers in Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. But before going any further, let me tell you the benefit of adding markers in your Adobe. The benefit is when you will add a marker. The markers will be on the timeline, and you can see these markers. And with the help of these markers, you can highlight a specific part of your video. Or if you want to change a part from your video and your video is too long, then you can add these markers to that part which you want to change. And once you complete the editing, you can get that by tapping on marker. And then the timeline will be on that clip, and you can change that easily. Now time to add markers for this. We have two ways. The first one is, which is take a look on the left side, and here you can see few options. And this one is the option of marker. Simply click on it, and you can see the marker has been added. And also the shortcut key is type M, and the marker will be added. You can see after I type the marker has been added, and another way is, you can get the similar option of marker when you will click on it, then the marker will be added. And if this option is not here, then you can see the option of plus, simply click on it. And it is the option of marker type, and take it and paste it here, and then click on the option OK. Then the marker will be added here, and using this method. You can add markers in Premiere Pro.